Welcome to VJD Academy. This is Anil Kumar, Faculty of Digital Electronics. We have seen in the last lecture what are the basic differences between combinational circuits and sequential circuits. Now let me start to understand the sequential circuit analysis. Sir, sequential circuit, the present input, we can say the present output depends not only in its present input but also in its previous output. That is the statement of sequential circuit. And also we have seen the few differences between combinational circuit and sequential circuit. The basic examples of sequential circuits are three types we have seen, which are flip-flops and now counters, and also we can say resistors. Sir, let us try to understand what is flip-flop, what is resistor, what is counter in detail. Now let me try to explain the basic structure of flip-flop and what are the basic steps of flip-flop. Please try to note down. Here the flip-flop. Here flip-flop. Sir, the first step I want to tell you, flip mean on and flop mean off. It is a sequential circuit for sure. And now the meaning of the name itself, we can say flip mean on and then flop mean off. We can say here on and off circuit. This is on and off circuit. And the second point, we know that it is also a sequential circuit. And now coming to the third step, here flip-flops, we can say that flip-flop can able to store 1 bit. Here the third point is it is a 1 bit storage element. And fourth point, it is having two states and which are always complementary to each other. Yes, it is having two states. Here we can also call as these two states, we can also call as two outputs. Here it is having two outputs, we can also say it is having two outputs which are always complementary to each other. And coming to the fifth point, sir, it is having two states. As I said earlier, it is having two states. We can also say that these two states are stable states, so that it is calling as bistable multi-vibrate. Bistable means both are stable states. Here it is having two states which are stable states, so that we can also call it as bistable multi-vibrator. And now, sir, what are the types of flip-flops? Sir, here if you see types of flip-flops, the first one is JK flip-flop. JK means Jack and Kelvin. And second one is RS. We can also call as SR flip-flop, which means set reset flip-flop. And third one is T flip-flop, which means toggling, TOGGULE, toggle flip-flop. And fourth one is D flip-flop. We can also see that data flip-flop. Data flip-flop. These are the four types of flip-flops. And now let us try to understand each flip-flop, JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop and T flip-flop, data flip-flop by using NAND gates and by using NOR gates. Step by step we will try to understand. And one more thing, while learning flip-flops we will also see that what is the truth table, how to construct a truth table, and how to construct the truth table by using NAND gates, and how to construct truth table of JK flip-flop by using NOR gates, and what are the how many set states, how many reset states, and how many invalid states, how many previous data states we are going to see. And based upon those things we are going to construct a characteristic equation, and after characteristic equation we will try to minimize the truth table and we will try to draw a circuit. Finally, these are the steps which are going to learn in the further classes. So try to watch the next classes which are very important throughout digital electronics. These sequential circuit concepts are very important for GATE and PSU or any exam. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.